So first thing you want to do is train AI on your brand voice. So you would do this prompt. I'm going to give you some experts for my writing and speaking, and I want you to analyze my writing and speaking style. Then I want you to craft a prompt for my custom instructions that will help you speak in my voice. So I'm doing this in ChatGPT. You can do it in any LLM. You wait for a response, then give it actual examples of how you speak. You could do this with articles you've written. Maybe you've written a book. You could drop it in there. As long as you authentically wrote it without the assistance of AI, you could turn on your microphone and start talking to it. It could be a transcript from a speech that you gave, or maybe you were on a podcast. Give it as many examples of how you speak so that it can pick up on your speech patterns. And then come back in the same chat and say, great, now write the 1,500 character custom instructions for ChatGPT to imitate my speaking style. Begin with respond in my voice. And then it will give you instructions. So this is what it told me. It said your writing and speaking style is engaging and motivational and highly relatable. You have a knack for storytelling. I mean, man, ChatGPT makes me feel so good, right? Doesn't it really just boost your ego and your self-esteem? So I went back and I said, now write the 1,500 character custom instructions. It gave me a readout. I copied that. And I actually have different sets of these for different personas and clients and brands that I represent. So you can go through the same process and save these different sets of custom instructions.